Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how this laptop is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
This is where the laptop's journey begins. Silicon chips, copper sheets, and battery cells are carefully selected. Before moving forward, smart robots take over here, placing every tiny component exactly where it belongs. Trios quickly and without mistakes. Even with advanced machines, human experts play a key role, carefully checking each part for quality. To build a strong and sleek laptop body, aluminum and plastic are shaped using high-precision machines. Each component passes through laser scanners to make sure everything meets exact quality standards. In this clean room, parts are sealed in a dust-free environment to protect sensitive electronics. Now everything is ready. These parts are heading to the assembly line, where the laptop really comes to life. Now we move into component manufacturing, where individual laptop parts are carefully created using advanced machines. This is how laptop circuit boards are made, with tiny components placed and soldered with extreme precision. Powerful processors start here, where silicon wafers are transformed into the brain of the laptop. Each motherboard is assembled layer by layer, connecting all the key parts that make the laptop work. To keep laptops cool and fast, special cooling systems are manufactured with precision. This is where laptop batteries are built, designed to deliver safe and long-lasting power. The laptop screen is carefully manufactured to deliver sharp visuals and accurate colors. Keyboards and touchpads are built for comfort, accuracy, and long-term use. Every component is tested to make sure it meets performance and safety standards. Once approved, all components are sent forward, ready to be assembled into a complete laptop. Now it's time for the main event, assembling all the components into a fully working laptop. First, the motherboard goes in tapel, the heart of the laptop where everything connects. Next, the CPU and RAM are installed. These tiny parts make your laptop fast and powerful. To keep things running smoothly, the battery and cooling system are added carefully. Now for the parts we use every day, the keyboard and trackpad, assembled with precision. The display is next. Every hinge and connector is checked to make sure it opens perfectly. All internal cables are connected neatly, ensuring everything communicates perfectly. Once all parts are in place, the laptop is closed up and given a final assembly check. Time for the first power on. Everything is tested to make sure the laptop works perfectly. With the assembly complete, laptops are ready to move on to software installation and final testing. Now the laptops move into software installation and testing, where we make sure they're ready for users. First, the operating system is installed, giving the laptop its brain and interface. Next, drivers and firmware are added, so all hardware works smoothly together. Every laptop goes through diagnostics to check performance and stability before leaving the factory. The screen is calibrated for perfect colors and brightness. Every detail matters. Batteries are tested to make sure your laptop stays powered safely and efficiently. Every key and touchpad is tested to make sure they feel smooth and responsive. All connectivity features are checked, so you can plug and connect and work without a hitch. Finally, we test real-world performance multitasking. Graphics, everything is checked thoroughly. With all tests complete, the laptops are ready to be packed and shipped to users worldwide. Finally, our laptops are ready for packaging and shipping, so they can reach users safely around the world. Boxes are carefully prepared with protective layers to keep laptops safe during transport. Each laptop is placed securely in its box, ready to travel without a scratch. Chargers, manuals, and other essentials are added, so every user gets a complete package. Boxes are sealed tightly to ensure the laptop stays safe during shipping. Each box gets a shipping label and barcode to track it from factory to your doorstep. One last check is done to make sure everything is perfect before leaving the factory. Boxes are now transported to the loading area, ready to be shipped worldwide. Careful loading ensures laptops arrive safely, whether by truck, plane, or ship. And that's it from raw materials to finished product. The journey of a laptop is complete, so ready to reach users around the world.